Hey folks, it's Alex with Hanksters Haulers here, and we're going to go over another one of our in-stock trailers. This one's a ROM-450, 8.5 by 24 foot, and we'll start off with the inside on this one. We'll turn our inverter on. You can see we have nice LED lights at the underside of these upper cabinets, along with the full length of the ceiling, front to rear. You've got a nice set of cabinets in the front there. You've got this nice set of cup holders that's on the LifeTrack system. You can move this anywhere along that LifeTrack system. It's just two little Allen heads you loosen up and you slide it off the end. You've got a charging center up here with your typical 12-volt plug for your, like as if in your car, and a USB and a USB-C. Then you've got these futons here that double as a bench to sit on and a bed that you could sleep on. They've got straps to hold them securely on both sides. And then they just tilt down. You've got your legs fold out here. And you can use that as a bed to sleep on. It also, like I said, doubles as a futon. You got to put your legs back down for this. Doubles as a futon. Then we'll go back flat. And you got your safety straps to hold it nice and secure while you're moving the trailer. You can tighten those up so it's nice and secure. And then we've got a spare tire wall mount here. And we'll go ahead and check out the outside. This one does have the side escape door. We'll turn our inverter off here. We've also got a step here. Now this one's the charcoal color with the chrome trim. Like I said, we've got that side escape door. Makes it very easy to load and unload vehicles, especially with the fender skirt being easily removable. We've got a nice step there. Makes things nice and easy. And in the back, you've got your ramp door. This one has the extruded aluminum floor. It's a very nice touch. And that should about wrap things up for this unit here. We'll step back inside in the shade. And remember, you can always contact us if you're looking for a trailer and it's not one that we have. We have the ability to do custom quotes, and we can get you a quote on whatever you may be looking for. And thanks for checking us out. Check out the website, hankstershaulers.com. Always feel free to call or email. Thanks.